Hi there, welcome back to Ital Kitchen. For today's recipe video, I'll be sharing with you a peanut punch smoothie with moringa, right? Alright, so to start this peanut punch, I'm gonna add some raw peanuts, to my blender, because we want the peanut to a tablespoon of flaxseed, and then I'm gonna blend this until it's very smooth. So maybe for like 2 minutes of blending to get it really smooth. So I'm gonna use 2 of these. So really just crack the shell. Just crack the seeds. Like you're cracking it now. And get these. So they are very soft, and I'm adding two of these moringa seeds. Frozen or 1.5 frozen bananas, Irish moss, half a teaspoon of nutmeg. I'm gonna use a teaspoon of vanilla and my water. And then blend this baby up again till it's smooth, you know? So that's good. Here, moringa is brain food. Irish moss, I made this like, you know, I just made this here. Brain food as well. So you know, it sounds simple and it's so easy to make, but it's packed with superfoods. Irish moss, moringa, some peanuts for your protein, some flax seeds for your fiber, your protein, some calcium, and overall nourishment. And you know, what else is in it? Any flavorings. So you're enjoying something that is so beautifully healthy for your temple. Yeah. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this smoothie. Moringa, Irish moss, peanut punch. Blessed love to you. Eat well, walk good.